cool things today. We're going to talk about outlaw leather and some of the reward programs we have. So one of those things, and one thing that is hard to do at the KWI, is get through our 24-week program in less than 24 weeks. How many certifications do we have to get through, Ashley?
We got to get through at least 6 to come to that program, but you can earn multiple WPSs or certifications from our WPSs, and when we do, we're going to start rewarding those with that extra hard work. One of the first things we offer that student is what we consider the golden arm hood, which means I know my way around a pipe. I'm good with the TIG rig. Not only can I stick weld, I can TIG, flux core, the whole deal. So 6 certifications plus 1 more. And guess what, Bobby? You get to choose. Maybe you want a downhill branch and bell hole. Maybe you want an exotic alloy, copper nickel. Maybe you want some chrome. Maybe you want a different grade of stainless steel. So certification number 7, the outlaw leather golden arm hood.
Yeah, now you can come to KWI and you can wear one of the outlaw leather hoods. You can get a KWI logo bib, no big deal. But you can't buy this one here. This is only earned at the Kentucky Welding Institute, and they're not sold. So go ahead and start the bidding. But we're not selling this thing, no matter how much you're wanting to purchase one. Has to be earned.